unlike everybody else, you know, I mean, my pops was there. He was, but, you know, it's just things that he was doing, like, I just didn't agree with or whatnot. So it caused me and him to have, like, a little thing between us or whatnot that it's just like I had to go leave from home, you know, and shit, I didn't have nobody, you know, I ain't have nobody, and then I damn sure ain't want to go to my family because I felt like they weren't gonna help. They were just gonna send me back to the house type shit, you know. So I feel like kind of too that gang shit did kind of help too in a certain way type shit. And that I'm thinking about it now, it really did because shit, I don't know who's to say where the fuck would I be, for real.
Now, were some of the family issues you were having connected to your sexuality or other things?
I think so. I think so.
Did you ever have like explicit conversations with your dad or any family member about it?
Yeah.
How did those conversations go?
Shit, not too good, especially with my pops. It could never go good. Till this day, me and him we don't talk like that. Me and my pops, we don't talk like that. Even though we still see each other and shit, but we just don't talk like that. And that's just how it gotta be though. I feel like he was, I don't know, I feel like it was just raised military style, so he was on that military fucking, it wasn't even just that, it was just like, I feel like it was things that he could have just said it and been like, y'all do, you know, let me talk to y'all about this, let me talk to y'all about that, instead of just putting hands on, you know, it's not all about putting your hands on people, you know.
So it get physical with your dad?
Yeah, it got physical multiples of times with my dad. Me and my dad, multiples of times.
And was your mom around?
Yeah. It's nothing she can do.
Did she say anything?
Stop, you know, stop. You know, she do what she can, but it's nothing she can really do, you know.
And how are you and your dad now?
Stay the same. We don't have no kind of fucking father and daughter relationship. We don't.
And if he was watching this interview right now, what would you want to say to him?
I love you. You know, I love you, you my daddy, you know. But shit, it is what it is. I mean, that's shit, a lot of it is shit in the past, you know. But you could have did a lot of things different, you know. You could have did a lot of things different.
So how are you and your mom now?
Me and mom was always, man, mother and daughter relationship, unbreakable.
Do you think though that, you said there was nothing she could do when Pops was doing what he was doing.
Yeah.
Did you guys ever talk about that? You and your mom talk about how you felt about what was going on during those moments?
Yeah, we always talk about that, you know. She know he know he done fucked up. He done said that I know I done messed up. I know I done changed. I done messed up, but I done changed. It's like, you know, but I feel like it's just all on who raised you type shit. So I mean, it's nothing you can do. Shit, that's how you was raised to be.
So in this particular area, this countryside part of North Houston, who polices this area?
HPD.
HPD comes up here too?
Yeah,
Okay.
the police station is literally right down the street. Like you could take this street or you could take this street down there to get to the police station. Like how we sitting, literally we'll be sitting in front of the police station. Like if nothing was right there and then you could see clear straight shot, we'll be sitting right in front of the police station. You'll see the police station. Yeah.
And do they ever patrol like around? Do they go down all these streets?
This is like a song. That's how all day long. You know, like for real, Acres Home, I can say like one thing about Acres Home, it's never, like I said, it's never been about gangs and shit, especially in Acres Home. It's always been about niggas robbing the fucking banks and shit. Like we got niggas that rob bank ATMs and shit. Like that's what's going on out here. You know, like niggas got fed shit going on. We ain't got none of that other ass shit going on, like, you know, other people.
So tell me a little bit about other parts of Texas, if you know about that.
Shit, what?
Like racism is different in different parts of Texas?
Hell yeah. Racism, hell yeah. See, like, the racist motherfuckers up there. It's racist down here, but shit, we taking over. We taking over out here, so it's not like that out here, you know. where versus up north where it's less of this and it's more of that, you know.
What parts of Texas would people want to stay away from?
What's the fuck down? What's that down? What's up? For sure that motherfucker. The races of the races of the races of the races in Texas. Y'all know what I'm talking about, cause everybody know not to cross through. Don't stop through that motherfucker. If you stop, you better be tooled up. Everybody know what I'm talking about if you from Texas.
Jasper.
Bam! That's it right there. Jasper, yes. Oh, that's it. Jasper, yes. That is right.
I heard that they actually did a lynching.
Yeah, they did.
Some years ago.
Yeah, they did. Yeah, and they is racist as hell out there for real.
So, in terms of girls in Fruittown, Piru, are there some other ones that also joined up?
What, in just Houston?
Yeah, in Houston.
Yeah, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got about 6, 7 girls, 7, 8 girls in the set.
And they pretty much all under you.
Pretty much, yeah. I hear like, because we really didn't have a big homie. Yes, Tank is our big homie in a certain, but he's not our big homie. We same age, you know what I'm saying? So it's like we had to learn a lot of shit on our own. And a lot of shit I learned about Fruittown, I learned on my damn own too, just talking to different homies and shit, you know? So, yeah, like, shit, it's kind of crazy, man. It's like, yeah, pretty much.
What do the guys in Compton think about the Houston Fruittown Pirus? Have they ever made any statements? Or?
Some people, some of them fuck with us, some of them don't. I know them MLs though. I know the MLs though. That's all that really matters to me.
The mafias.
The mafia lane.
Mafia lane.
Yes.
Fruittown Pirus.
89 block.
Okay. But what do you got to say to those people that would say?
Shit, people act like people don't move, man. People act like people don't fucking move, man. People act like you can't just, I don't want to stay here no more. Even the fucking biggest gangbangers I don't want to stay here no more. I'm moving to fucking Baltimore. I'm moving here. They ain't gonna know nobody, so they need somebody to talk to get the shit started. Shit, that's how it go. Like, I don't know why people make a big deal out of certain shit. Like, goddamn, like if you ain't got shit positive, say mind your motherfucking business and keep it moving. You know, like it's just simple.
It seems like the main conversation is about what's real and what's fake.
Shit, okay, if we just gonna do it like this, then, you know what I'm saying? Okay, if they gonna do this shit, gangbanging, keep it in Cali. Give us our goddamn drink back. Give us our goddamn sauce back. Give us our drip. Give us our goddamn fucking 83s, nuts, our fucking flows. Give us every damn thing back because everybody done took a picture, something off of Texas. So shit, it is what it is.
So I was also thinking Piru actually started on Piru Street. In Compton. Mm-hmm. But they got Pirus in Pacoima in LA. They got Pirus in Inglewood.
Exactly.
And I don't think they ever said, you guys are fake because you're in Inglewood.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying. It's a culture, like, people spreads out. That's just what happened. That's family. That's that's why it's called roots, you know? That's just what it is.
And what made you not ever be interested in any of the clique stuff?
Oh, shit. I mean, it wasn't nothing wrong with it. I mean, I used to be in a clique, you know what I'm saying? UTG, by the way. RP Killer, you know what I'm saying? Killer Brand, though. I used to be UTG, you know, but it wasn't no guidance in it. And that's what my whole life I've been looking for guidance, you know?
All right, so some final thoughts before we wrap it up.
All right.
What message would you like to convey to the people out there watching?
Man, I just want to say, like, for real, come on, y'all, like, we got to do better because if we don't come together, we going to get extinct. I'm just leaving it at that. We don't come together, we going to get extinct. It's too much black on black violence. It shouldn't even be like that, you know? It's fucked up. But I feel like they gonna say it was just one. They gonna say because this is how this got us. Nah, I feel like the choice is ours. We should be able to grow up and look over things. You know what I'm saying? Like, cause like people they'll be like, oh, the government doing this. This is how the government got us set up. But I feel like, yeah, you're right. They do, but nigga, with multiples of minds. There so many scientists, you know what I'm saying? With multiples of minds come in the room together, we can overcome any damn thing that the government ever tried. It's more than us than them. So that's what I'm saying. Like, we need to get together, man. Like, fucking ain't gonna be no fucking more grandmas and grandpas and shit. You know what I'm saying? It's shit sad. Our mamas and shit crying and shit because they sons leaving and shit, getting killed and shit. Our daughters and sisters and homegirls and shit coming up missing. Like, bro, that's what I'm saying with this gang shit. That's why like niggas getting a misconcept of the gang shit wrong. Like, this shit was supposed to be about family. You know what I'm saying? It shouldn't even be like, I feel like all these damn gangs out here and shit, all these little girls coming up missing and shit and dudes getting killed. What's up? What's up? Y'all want to kill each other and shit, but what's up, bro? We need to solve this shit, man, for real. This shit gonna continue to happen. It might be your daughter, your son, niece, nephew, it can be you. You never know, man, for real.
Thanks for watching StreetGangs.com. Please like and share the video you just watched and leave a comment below to tell us what you think. You can also watch 2 of our previous episodes to the right. Please visit the link to our Patreon page and support our campaign. And don't forget to subscribe.